warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon and welcome to our news program. I'm Iba Purmaini. I'm Putri Gina Bibinsani. Today, we take a closer look at the evolving trade war between the global economic landscape. Amid rising tensions between the two global powers, Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto has taken a notably neutral stance, offering Indonesia as a potential mediator. For more on this developing story, we go to our correspondent on the ground. For our first reporter is Fitria Haryani. Time is yours. Thank you, Gina and Ipa. The trade war between the United States and China has escalated once again, with both countries imposing higher tariffs on one another's goods and tightening restrictions on key industries such as technology. This ongoing dispute has disrupted global supply and chains and created uncertainty across international market, affecting not only the two nations inflow, but also many developing economies, including Indonesia.
China is fully prepared to fight to the very end because the world is big enough that the United States is not the totality of the market in the world. So if the United States wants to go in that direction of completely shutting itself out of the China market, be my guest.
Yeah, and China will lose the US market, which, as I've said, is 15%.
We don't care. We don't care. China has been here for 5,000 years. Most of the time, there was no United States, and we survived. And if the United States wants to bully China, we will deal with the situation without the United States, and we expect to survive for another 5,000 years.
Maybe that's all from me. I'm back to you. Thank you, Fitri. Let's to the second reporter, Zulfiningsih. Time is yours. Thank you, Ipa and Gina. Amid the turmoil, the President of Indonesia, Prabowo Subianto, stated that Indonesia will not take sides. In his statement, he implies that Indonesia chose the remain neutral edification for dialogue rather than confrontation. President Prabowo even opened the door to facilitation communication between the United States and China in order to maintain regional and global stability.
President, how do you see China-US trade war? What will proceed the outcome of China-US trade war?
I hope in the end they will come to some sort of agreement. I hope.
But Indonesia will not choose side, and we like to be friends.
No. We respect all countries. We consider China a good friend of us. We consider the United States also a good friend. So we want to be the bridge.
So you will not cut the economic cooperation with China due to the US
Impossible.
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 Thank you for your answer. Thank you.
China is already too close with Indonesia. Yeah.
Ada rencana bertemu dengan Trump, Pak? Kapan, Pak?
Saya sudah minta waktu 3 bulan. Ya.
Maybe that's all for me. Come back to you. Thank you, Zuti, for your news. And the last news goes to Liana Anifitri. Time is yours. Thank you, Ipa and Gina. President Prabowo possession has been met with positive reaction from the international community. Several foreign policy analysts have praised Indonesian approach, noting the country growing role as a constructive force in global diplomacy. There is cautious optimism that this initiative could help ease tension between the United States and China, paving the way for more comprehensive engagement in the future.
In addition, yesterday we achieved a total reset with China after productive talks in Geneva. Both sides now agreed to reduce the tariffs imposed after April 2nd to 10% for 90 days as negotiators continue in the largest structural issues. And I want to tell you that a couple of things. First of all, that doesn't include the tariffs that are already on, that are our tariffs, and it doesn't include tariffs on cars, steel, aluminum, things such as that, or tariffs that may be imposed on pharmaceuticals, because we want to bring the pharmaceutical businesses back to the United States, and they're already starting to come back now based on tariffs. Because they don't want to pay 25, 50, or 100% tariffs, so they're moving them back to the United States.
Thank you. That's all from me. Dadah. Thank you, Liana. Okay, viewers, a calm and steady approach from Indonesia at a time when tensions are running high between major powers. Indeed, and it underscores the increasing importance of neutral voice in facilitating international dialogue and promoting peace. We will continue to monitor developments in this story closely. For now, that concludes our coverage. Thank you for watching today's top news. I'm Ipa Purmaini. I'm Katrina Pinasani. Stay peaceful and stay strong. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.